you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naylin. We back with another video. Feel me? Before we get into the video, make sure you guys go and show some love and hit that subscribe button. We just hit 1K and within a week we gained like 100 and something subscribers, so shout out to y'all and let's just keep it going. This is gonna be a really this is going to be a really short video. This was a video that somebody requested in the comments, and they were just like, oh, can you do an edges tutorial? I thought about doing this video, but because I knew the video would be so short, I was just like, who really needs a video like that? But people wanted to see a video like that, so I'm here to give you guys that video. I'm filming a different video right now for how I got this sleek high pop. Like, it's sleeker than sleek, y'all. And y'all know I got a lot of hair. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all real quick how to do your edges. So all I'm gonna be using is Style Factor Edge Booster and an old edge brush that is actually really hard. I don't know, I feel like the harder the brush, like the better. But yeah, also if you're seeing this video, that means the video for my hair, like this easy high puff, is up. So make sure you guys go and check that out after this video if you like how it look, because it look cute. So first thing you want to do whenever you're about to do your edges, after you just, if your hair is already down, then it's easy because your edges are already out. But if your hair is up in a ponytail or whatever, then you want to make sure you pull your edges out of the ponytail so that you can actually do them. So some people like to take the comb part and pull the hair. Other people like to just brush down and gently brush their edges out. I do a little bit of both. My edge brush is really dirty, so don't mind it, okay? Like, there's so much gel and hair in this edge brush. Okay, so boom. After you got your edges out, it should look something like that. Like, you got, like, you know, like a line-up fade. You know, like the fades boys be on. I don't know if it's called a line-up fade, but, you know, it should look something like that. We're going to take our edge booster. And we're just going to gel everything down in a downward direction, just so there's edge control on everything and we can really see what we're working with. Some people like to do it in parts. Depending on the hairstyle, I do it in parts and then I do it all together. So like in this hairstyle, I do everything all in one, like just gel everything down at once. But if I do like a side part or something, I do it like one at a time. I don't put gel on everything. All right, boom. We got our edges. So now, because I have a willow's peak, I personally like to do edge in the middle, like a little swoop in the middle. If you don't have a willow's peak, you don't have to do that, but I feel like it's cute, especially since I have a willow's peak, so that's why I just do that. And as I'm brushing down, you see I'm holding with my finger when it comes to swooping it, because I don't want this part to move. And honestly, edges is something everybody can do. It's just, you really have to play with it and see like what you like, what you don't like, what's cute, what's not cute. And over time, you'll get used to like you'll just get used to doing it. So now here's the part that I sometimes do differently depending on how I'm feeling. Oh, that's the wrong thing. I just dipped my hand into Eco Styler. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I just pulled out some more hair. Should I turn my ring light on? I'm kind of liking the natural light, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you guys can see, because if I turn on the ring light and I get close, I'm gonna like glow. I don't like that. Anyways, so I just pulled out more. So some people like to just swoop this part right here and then I'm gonna show ya. So this is what some people like to do. They like to swoop that part right there. And then so once they have a swoop right there, they like to turn this part right here into another swoop. This is hard to do in the camera. I can barely see. Okay, like see, like they'll have two different swoops, and then some people like to just bring one big swoop down, which I'm gonna show you as well. Oops, don't play with this one. This one's perfectly fine. It did not ask to be with y'all. So they like to just make one big swoop like that. See, I'm gonna leave the big swoop because I personally like it. Normally I don't do that, but it came out cute today, so I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let it rock. I'm gonna let it lean with a rock with it. Okay, so now on this side, yo, I really cannot see because the camera is on this side, so I'm trying to make sure y'all see me, but then I can't see. But so basically what I do first is I like to make an edge first. Okay, I can't see on this side, so I'm gonna show y'all on this side, okay? So now I just pulled the bottom parts out. And I don't really have too much sideburns, so this part isn't a big deal for me because I know nobody's, like, you can't really see it. I don't have a lot. But for people who do, like, that's basically what you want to do. Like, you want to, like, brush and curve it as if it's like an edge, and then if you have a longer piece there, you like flick it up so it looks nice. But yeah, this is basically my edges. Pretty calm, pretty calm. I always have trouble with this side laying down. It never really takes the gel properly. But yeah, these are my edges. So now what you want to do is put a scarf on so they can like really lay down, feel me? So I'm gonna put a scarf on and come back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I was eating pistachio, so you know, don't mind me. So yeah, it's time to take it off. Boom, 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 boom. They came out so cute and so sleek. They're slick, period. That's how they look on the side. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Like I said, I don't do those crazy editorial, I call them editorial edges, because you know they have all the curls and the swirls. I don't do that just because I personally like don't really care for them. And like even the edges like where they have like the edge starting up here and then not ending to down here, I don't like that. I'm not gonna lie, like I don't find that cute. But hey, to each his own. I hope this video helped you. Everything I use will be linked down below, and like I said, this hair video will be up as well, so after you watch this, make sure you guys go and check this video out as well. This is just like a messy ponytail on a stretched wash and go. So yeah, anyways, if you have any more video ideas that you want me to do, that you want to see, let me know. But until then, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified every time your girl posts, because I've been posting like crazy, like crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.